up. Stay on the car all the way around here as long as we can. Tail goes light there as we brake in whilst turning. Oh, almost gone in there a little bit too fast. Righty then. So we are back in China. My name's Christo. We are on board the Toro Racing AMG GT3. We are at the Wuhan circuit. You can see on the map, in fact, just gone green. So off we go. It's the first time that I've been here. Well, this is tight. So just bear with me. I've got a bed in brakes to start with, whilst trying to get my bearings of where to go. So look around the corner. I've had a little bit of look at some onboard footage already, so I know it's extremely tight. I believe it opens up here and then tightens back up. Oh, right, okay, chicane here. Oh, super tight. That to first, up to second, just taking it easy, don't want to put too much heat through these new pads. I know this is a big curved area, so let's try and figure out how far around. Right, there's a 300 meters, so I suppose we're going to open it up. And it's gone red already. What a joke. Oh jeez. Okay, short and sweet. Track really opens up here, so we'll be able to put the hammer down here, I suppose, when we get racing. I feel the car tracking a little bit. The track's super bumpy. That was unfortunate. Didn't even manage a lap before it went red. Okay, so yeah, I think we need to go down an extra gear for there, down to second. A few leads on the circuit. This is the final corner. And into the pit lane we go. Okay, let's try again. Round 2. So, turn 1, tyre, gotta avoid that massive tyre wall. This, I believe, opens up and then it'll tighten, so we'll be able to use all the track there. Then we come back, actually use a little bit more track on that exit there. Taking it easy through there. Super tight through here. Once we get to the 200, 100, then we can start to slow it down. So that's going to be a super tricky corner. Oh, first gear was a mistake. There's a red light, but that's a traffic light. It's beyond the circuit. Down to second gear this time. That was better. Curve on the other side. Avoid that. Just bedding in the brakes still, so go a little bit quicker this lap. Bump there, you really feel that in the God, that's incredible. Looking around the exit as much as we can. Let's try and stay on the car a little bit longer this time. Ooh, overshot him. Second gear, and then this opens at the Super bumpy, wow, incredible. Down the gear, second gear hairpin. Tires from the drift cars. That's my back. Actually, that corner's quicker than we realised. Maybe I can leave in third gear. Oh, did that last time. That would be in first gear corner. Let's see what it's like. Way too deep into that one then. Let's get turned. Oh, too much ABS. This is quick. I brake too early. Need to sort out my braking point there. Just gonna hook around. Stamp on the power, let traction control the next thing. Getting a little blue sign right where we're going to be braking. So I want to be braking there. It's going to be after the meter board, I think. First gear, really slow down. Feel the tyres grinding. Whatever little slipstream I can off this thing. One more. Brake at the 150 meter board. Right, let's get it turned. Full power. Oh man, this is super busy. This is great. Oh, got to a little bit. Back on the power, nothing. Screen here. Back down to first. Full power. Opening it up. Stay on the power all the way around here as long as we can. Tail goes light there as we're braking whilst turning. Oh, almost gone in there a little bit too fast. Traction control a little bit, so you can get a little bit more speed out of that. Braking at the 100 meter board, and let's go past it, really V-shape it. Let's get a little bit of curve here, squeeze the power. Oh, there we go, close to the wall. What an awesome circuit, right? Okay, box this lap, box this lap. Oh, too hot then. Oh, I've done it again. Oh no, way too greedy. So this entering pits. 3, 2, 1, line. Wow, that's busy. Really got to concentrate to go around there. I feel like I've been holding my breath for about 3 minutes. Anyway, right, into the pits. Quick driver change. Okay. Okay, ready?
Okay.